Imagine a world where soldiers, vehicles, and even drones could seamlessly disappear from sight, not just to the naked eye, but across infrared and radar spectrums. This isn't a Hollywood sci-fi narrative. It's the reality of China's latest technological marvel. Leveraging the cutting-edge Chimera metamaterial in AI technology, China has developed an invisibility suit capable of adapting to various terrains and operating environments, leaving the global community both astounded and alarmed. When James Bond's Aston Martin Vanquish turned invisible in D Another Day, it seemed like a far-fetched dream. Today, with innovations like the Chimera metamaterial, invisibility is closer to becoming a scientific reality. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The ethical and safety challenges posed by this technology demand thoughtful regulation and global cooperation. Whether invisibility becomes a boon or a bane will depend on how humanity chooses to wield this incredible power. As nations race to perfect the art of vanishing, one thing is clear: the future is here, and it's cloaked in possibilities. Traditional objects reflect light, allowing them to be seen. The Chimera metamaterial, however, bends light waves around itself. This prevents light from reaching the observer's retina, rendering the cloaked object invisible. The material isn't limited to land. It also functions effectively in air and water, making it an ideal candidate for military use. During tests, drones equipped with the material achieved a 95% success rate across diverse environments. This versatility could enable soldiers to move undetected across air, land, and sea. The core of invisibility lies in manipulating light to hide objects. Earlier attempts like the 2012 Mercedes-Benz invisible car concept used external cameras and LEDs to create an illusion of invisibility. Although impressive, the illusion worked only from specific angles. AI has since changed the game. In China's latest invisibility suits, AI-driven systems analyze light, colors, and environmental patterns in real time, enabling the suit to dynamically adapt. These AI algorithms ensure seamless camouflage even in rapidly changing surroundings, such as shifting shadows, moving water, or complex urban terrains. In early 2024, researchers at Xishang University introduced a revolutionary innovation: the Chimera metamaterial invisibility suit. Drawing inspiration from the natural camouflage of species like chameleons and glass frogs, the suit leverages an AI-driven system to mimic environmental patterns in real time. Using live data from cameras and sensors, the AI processes information and adjusts the material's camouflage within milliseconds. Trained on extensive data sets of various terrains and climates, the AI enables the suit to adapt seamlessly to complex conditions, including fog and underwater environments. Additionally, the material features self-repair capabilities powered by AI algorithms, detecting and